do remember Blizzard 77. I remember getting up in the morning, going down to a mom to a daycare center, and then I had to take off to school that day, I remember, in a bus. But I remember going there, getting on, coming down Queen Street in London that day, Blizzard 77, and it was pouring with rain, but all this like turning on a switch. Like a big wall of white came along and whoa, wind picked up. Couldn't see overhead. It was that bad, I remember. Made it into a daycare center. Mom made it into work to daycare center, and then the school was closed immediately. Unfortunately, I was trapped at that time within the church in Christchurch downtown in London, Ontario. Of course, Wallerton Road, London. I was trapped there for 2 overnight. The next day, when it passed over, the undercarriage of the automobile was frozen solid. You couldn't even move or nothing, I remember. Yeah? The undercarriage of the car was frozen. Matter of fact, we was probably on ice, couldn't get a car, couldn't go. Finally, got a whole tow truck out of the pulled out of drift, but you had to tow it to a place that heated just to thaw out the vehicle. Matter of fact, with heated garage, just to melt the ice off the undercarriage, because it just froze the whole vehicle, was frozen up. It was solid. That vehicle would not even start. It was a solid block of ice. We couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe it either. Yeah? It was just totally, couldn't even get it going up. I ended up towing it to the garage, because snow was completely filled the engine bay, I knew what happened then. So what did I do? We turned around and we, at that time I remember, that year too, I remember that, got a house and then they were digging out then, stuff like that. That's going back to London, that's 77. And Channel 11 here, they just did a thing on Blizzard 77. Now, that tells me something there. What I'm going to do now is this. This is part 1. Part 2, Blizzard 77, it's actual news footage, courtesy of CHTV Hamilton of the same Blizzard. That's my memory of that. Think about it. Spending the night in the basement of church that night. Well, at least nice and warm. The furnace ran okay. Didn't lose power, thank goodness. We lost power in that Blizzard. Oh, it would not be a pleasant place to be, I remember. Anyways, I'm going to let you go. And the part 2 will follow part 1.